Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact thread spec and assessing the damage. You must know whether the hole is stripped or cross-threaded. Once you confirm size, gather a helicoil or thread repair kit, the correct drill and tap, lubricant, and torque wrench. Make sure the engine is cool and the work area is clean. This reduces contamination. Remove the plug or bolt so you can work straight on the hole. From here, you're ready to align tools and position the chopper securely. You drill using the kit's drill size, keeping the bit perfectly perpendicular. This prevents misalignment that wrecks the repair. Once drilled, apply cutting oil and start tapping slowly, maintaining an even torque and backing the tap out frequently to clear chips. Make sure the tap stays straight. Any wobble ruins the new thread. After tapping, blow out debris with compressed air and inspect the newly cut threads for consistent depth. If everything is clean and square, you're ready to insert the insert. You install the helicoil with the insertion tool, winding it until the top rests slightly below the surface so the bolt seats correctly. Once seated, break off the tang exactly as the kit directs. Then fit the plug or bolt and torque to the manufacturer's spec, adding a small amount of thread locker if the application calls for it. Start the chopper and run it briefly while checking for tightness and leaks. If torque drifts or threads strip again, a larger insert or professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.